Men and women flirt differently for different reasons and expect different outcomes to the flirting. However, if you put aside that outcome and flirt just to be friendly, you're opening yourself to different opportunities. You may well end up with a new lover, but if that doesn't work out, you could meet someone who becomes a good friend and who knows who she might introduce you to. Keep your options open. After you've exchanged glances and smiles across the room and you're fairly confident that she thinks that she might like to get to know you better, send a drink to her, but remember that all you are buying is a drink. Don't expect it to fall at your feet. Sometimes it's just nice to send someone a drink. Watch when she receives it and smile, then look away, look back again later to show your interest. If you find yourself invited to a table, keep your mind on the conversation and not on getting a date with her. Most women want to know what kind of person they are going out with long before they actually go out with them. Make an effort to get to know her and give her the opportunity to get to know you before diving in for a date. Do not ever approach two women in the same group. No woman wants to feel like second best. Refrain from approaching one after another in the same group. You look like a loser, and the woman may think you are desperate and looking for any port in the storm. Even if you are, don't show it. When you compliment a woman, make certain that it is a genuine compliment. There's nothing worse than someone giving out a load of overblown lines. Everyone has something great about them. Notice that and compliment them genuinely. Do not ever put your hands on a woman uninvited. Some women have no objection to touchy-feely encounters. Others are horrified by it. Respect the person until you have had the opportunity to know more about her. Touching can be a lovely flirty action, but should be confined to the arms or resting the hand just above the arms and not touching until you know more. Test her personal space by moving closer, noticing the reactions, then moving back a little to remove the threat. Respect yourself at all times. Women always fall for men who are that little bit unreachable. Don't hover or grovel or act desperate. Think of yourself as special and know that you deserve the very best.